This is how much has been made with DigiStore24 affiliate marketing platform, and you can replicate these exact same results and even more. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make thousands of dollars with DigiStore24 affiliate marketing and the 3 best ways you can promote your affiliate product even if you do not have any followers yet. The very first step, of course, you need to do is head over to the DigiStore affiliate platform website. And with this platform, if you scroll down, you can see that this platform has affiliate offers of over 8,500, and it has that in 44 niches, which means there is a vast amount of products that you can promote. You can also make up to 100% commissions that will be paid to you 3 times a week, so which means you can withdraw your money as soon as possible once you start making sales. And you can see that they have over $1 billion in commission already paid out, which means you can join the bandwagon and start making money as soon as you can. Now, the very first thing you need to do is sign up, and what you want to do is click start promoting now. And once you do that, it will bring you up to this sign up process. Here you want to put your public username, which will be visible to the public. Here you want to put in your email, you want to choose a password, you want to repeat the password, and because this is affiliate marketing, we are going to choose I am an affiliate here. Then you want to click that you have read the contract and privacy policy. You want to scroll down up to this point and you want to continue. You want to follow through the process. They will send you an email where you need to confirm your email before you can log in. And once you do that, you want to log into your account. And once you are in your account will look just like this. This is a new account, so of course you can see that your earnings will be 0. And from your report right here, you can see your earnings total as an affiliate. So all the earnings that you have made would reflect here. Your promo clicks, you would see it here. The earnings you make per click, meaning as people are clicking your affiliate link, the earnings you make per click if you promote products that pay per click. You'll also be able to see your earnings per day, and everything will reflect here. You can see that per week, you can see earnings per month, and as sales gradually come in as you promote your affiliate links, this would keep updating. If you want to change your currency, you can click the drop down icon here and switch to any currency that you want to see your dashboard on. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead up to your payment account, and this is where you want to set up your payment account to where your money or where your commission will be paid to. So you want to input your current password here. These are the payouts per month, and you can click either all of the payouts per month, or you can click whichever one you want to be giving your payouts at. And the beautiful thing about it is the threshold is just $50, and with just this threshold, you can promote a single product, and from a single commission, you can be able to withdraw straight away to your payment account that you have put here. Now, you can choose to be notified by email, and your payment method, you can either choose PayPal. If you have a US account, you can choose US bank transfer. If you are in the United States, you can also choose international bank transfer. So whichever one you prefer, and you can go ahead to save this. Now, the next thing you want to do is head over to the marketplace, and you want to click all offers on the marketplace. Now, it will bring you to this point where you can see the product categories where you can promote several kinds of products or several categories of products, and you can easily get your affiliate links, and you can also change your language, but we're just going to leave it as English. Now, if you look at the product categories, you can see that there are quite a wide range of categories ranging from digital products, events and seminars, services, and shipping products. Now, in this age and time where everything is literally going to the digital stage, the best product category to be promoting is digital products. So if we click the drop down on that digital products, you can see that there are several niches. Beside it, you can see the number of the products available for you to promote. Now, the best way to choose your niche on that digital product is simply choosing something that is based on your passion, something you already have interest in. The reason for this is because the next stage of this process would largely depend on this. So if you're passionate about animals and pets, maybe you love dogs, you love cats, you can choose a niche on that. If it's business and investment, computer and internet, dating, relationship, education, whatever it is, you simply want to pick something that resonates with you the most. So let's click online marketing and e-business. And if we should click it, you can see that it has brought out all the products that we can likely promote under this particular niche. And you can see with this product that just with this product, you can make as high as $910 from a sale commission of this particular product. You can see below this is $40. Below you can see it's $399. You can see below is $11, whichever you prefer. So if you want to be able to promote the best, you want to be able to promote the highest commission affiliate product, you can easily click here and filter by earnings and sales. So now what you want to do is, let's take for example, we want to promote Tube Mastery and Monetization by MathPar. You can click the drop down icon here, and here you will be able to see the price of the product, and the commission rate you'll be getting is 50% of the product, and the earnings you would make per cart visitor, meaning for each person who adds this particular product to their cart on the sales page, you would get $1.86. One very important thing you should note is also looking at the cancellation rate. And this cancellation rate majorly is about the rate at which people actually return the product. You do not want to promote a product with an overly high cancellation rate. So you want to go with something that is somewhat lower, and of course something that still resonates within your niche. Now you can see this particular one is Millionaire Secrets. And if you scroll down, you can see this cancellation rate is just 5.3%, meaning there is a little amount of return backs. For the sake of this video, we're going to be choosing this product. Once you have chosen your product, you can simply click on sales page to open the landing page so that you can see if you are okay promoting this product. So if you look at it, this is about Millionaire Secrets, how to build 4 online businesses, make 6 figures, and how you can make $10,000 a month each from them. So you want to go through, you want to scroll through, and you want to see if you are comfortable promoting it. One way you can do that is checking the reviews down. And of course, another thing, the cancellation rate, which we have already confirmed is low and is a good product that we want to promote. By the way, if you are finding this helpful, make sure to smash the like button, do well to hit the subscribe button and join the family. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so when next I drop another helpful Make Money Online video, you will be the very first to see it. Now, to get the best out of affiliate marketing, it is always best that you have an audience. However, like I said earlier, if you do not have an audience, there is no problem. Here are 3 ways you can promote your affiliate link. The first thing is you can join social communities online relating to your niche. For example, Facebook groups. You want to look for people who are interested in online businesses, since that is the product we want to promote. I want to go over to groups, and here you can see all sorts of online businesses where people have joined for people who are interested. Now you can join groups like this. You can also go to Reddit and look for communities on Reddit relating to that niche. You can see online business ideas, online business zones. These are communities in relation to the niche of the affiliate products that we plan to promote. You can also head over to Quora, and you can also search for online business. And you scroll over to spaces, and that way you would also see spaces in relation to that niche for online businesses. Now, what you want to do is you want to first of all give value. You do not want to spam your links because it doesn't make sense just joining a group and putting buy this book, buy this ebook, buy this product. Now, nobody is going to listen to you and you're not going to make any sales. What you want to do is you want to give strategic value content in relation to that niche, and gradually you want to chip in your affiliate. The second way to promote your link is by creating a social media platform that you want to choose one social media platform, whatever it is. It could be Facebook, it could be Twitter, it could be Threads, it could be Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is. You want to focus on one platform and you want to focus on creating content. Now, the kind of content you will create would not just be scripted content, but you want to document what you actually do in relation to your niche. By the time you do that, people will be able to relate more with your journey because these are what they are also facing and they want to learn from you in real time. And this is the importance of choosing a niche that you are passionate about. And the beautiful thing about this particular way to promote affiliate products is that you do not need thousands of followers to start closing sales, because as soon as people resonate with you, people begin to gain trust in you, they can begin to buy your affiliate product. Now, that is one reason why you should make sure that the affiliate product you choose is something that you can actually vouch for, because people are buying based on their trust for you. And of course, you want that trust to remain. So you may want to have a better look at the affiliate product that you are promoting. And if possible, you want to get a copy for yourself first and just to vet it to be extra sure of its value. Now, the third way to promote your affiliate product will require a little amount of investment, but trust me, if you do this right, it has the potential to make you way more than your investment. Now, the third way to promote your affiliate product will be to run social media ads. Now, one major determinant of running a successful ad is the ad copy. For example, this is an ad. You can see this is a sponsored post. And one way that will determine if this ad will do well is its ad copy. You can see this is the ad copy, what is written here. So this ad copy is what people will read, people will resonate with before they will decide to go further to check out your sales page or to check out your landing page. So your ad copy should address the pain point of your target audience. It must communicate clearly the benefits of this product you are promoting based on the target you plan to reach, and it must possess a compelling call to action. Now, this particular way may be better productive if you're well familiar with how to run social media ads. So what you want to do is you want to search that up, you want to learn, find a step-by-step process. I mean, Google is literally your friend. However, the better part of this particular way to promote your affiliate product is that once you are able to set it up once you are able to have a winning ad, you can literally have it running and it will keep generating income for you automatically. And this is a great way and a simple breakdown on how you can start DigiStore24 affiliate marketing. Now, you need to know that DigiStore24 affiliate marketplace is just one platform to harness affiliate marketing. I have done several videos on other ways or other platforms that you can use affiliate marketing to generate thousands of dollars for you. And I will be attaching one of them to the end of this video, which is the Fiverr affiliate marketing. And this particular one is also very lucrative. And I did a breakdown on how you can leverage it easily without even having to create a social media page or even run ads. This is something that you can do for absolutely no upfront cost. And if that interests you, you want to click the video you see on the screen right now and go check it out. Ciao.